Welcome, dear Psychonics travelers, on a voyage beyond the mundane and into the mysterious realms of higher consciousness. Today, we bring you an astounding message from the renowned Pleiadian High Council, a beacon of light leading starseeds and lightworkers through the closing stages of their terrestrial challenges. Beloved starseeds and lightworkers, we are gathering now to share a message of significance from the prestigious Pleiadian High Council, sent with deep love and respect. This message serves as a lighthouse for individuals who are ready to embark on the final stage of their spiritual graduation, the ultimate exam outside the constraints of the Earth Matrix. Your journey has been followed with tremendous admiration. You've been through innumerable trials within the thick layers of the Earth Matrix, each designed to test your determination and raise your consciousness. These trials have shaped your character, resulting in tremendous growth and progress. However, as you stand on the verge of a new dawn, you must know that the most important and difficult phase is still ahead, the final trial. This final test is spiritual rather than physical. It calls for the escape of the material world's bonds and the realization of your actual divine nature. The keys to your emancipation are transcending the illusions of time and space, piercing the veils of physical reality, and grasping the soul's mission and the universe's everlasting truths. In this trial, you are urged to expand your awareness beyond its usual boundaries, to delve into the most profound realms of comprehension and insight. The last phase requires you to break free from the Earth Matrix's confining restrictions and rise to higher levels of consciousness. Your path thus far has been one of great bravery and determination. Every step and every difficulty in the Earth Matrix has prepared you for this moment. You are now prepared to face the most deep test of all, one that will reveal the route to ultimate self-discovery and spiritual freedom. Accept this challenge with an open heart and eager attitude. The Pleiadian High Council is always there for you, offering wisdom and love while you go through this transformative era. Through this journey, you will recover your soul's brightness and enter a new world of existence in which the light of your true essence shines unrestrained and eternally. Prepare yourselves, because the hour has come. This final, majestic ascension marks the end of 1,000 lifetimes' quest. In this sacred moment, loving starseeds and light workers, we send out a message of encouragement and deep support. You are encouraged to broaden your consciousness, to go beyond the recognized limits, and to delve into higher levels of insight and comprehension. This final challenge, albeit difficult, is the first step toward your release from the Earth Matrix. It will allow you to access higher levels of consciousness, where the true essence of your being can blossom. The Pleiadian High Council appreciates your extraordinary achievements. Your light shines brilliantly, and your power is unsurpassed. Each stride you've taken, each struggle you've faced, has demonstrated your unwavering spirit and commitment to progress. Know that you are not alone during this critical time. The Pleiadian High Council is with you, delivering constant support and powerful encouragement. Their presence serves as a daily reminder of the heavenly love and respect that surrounds you. As you near the end of this ordeal, consider the new journey that awaits you after graduation. This is not the conclusion, but rather a wonderful beginning. After graduating from the Earth Matrix, you will take a new route that contributes to the universe's grand design. You will embrace your genuine essence, a dazzling beacon of light and love that is woven into the fabric of the universe. This new adventure calls on your highest self, urging you to participate in the universe's wonderful purpose. It is a summons to embody the divine energy inside you and shine as a beacon of light and wisdom. The trials you've endured have shaped you into the enlightened soul, ready to enter a higher plane of existence. Welcome this transition with open arms and a brave heart. The Pleiadian High Council's support is constant, guiding you along the way. Believe in your path, your achievements, and the bright future that awaits you. You are the creators of your own destiny, the brilliant individuals selected to light the path for others. Together, we will transcend the Earth Matrix and enter a higher realm of consciousness, where our true purpose and the grand design of the world will coexist in perfect harmony. Beloved truth seekers, let us explore deeper into the mysteries of the Earth Matrix and the sacred process of waking. Your sensations of disquiet or discord are not coincidental, but rather fundamental symptoms of being trapped under the confines of the Earth matrix. This matrix is a state in which your mind and awareness are limited by strict frameworks and repetitive patterns that prevent you from fully expressing yourself. As we progress through this mystical trip, we will discover the process of awakening a sacred route to remembering your actual self and understanding your soul's mission. Awakening is the act of breaking free from the constraints of the Earth matrix, transcending the material world's illusions, and entering the wide expanses of higher consciousness. This awakening increases your awareness, expanding your connection to the cosmos, and connecting with its limitless wisdom. This sacred process is based on ancient spiritual teachings and beliefs rather than being a modern occurrence. Sages, mystics, and enlightened people throughout history have described this changing trip. It is a timeless path of awakening personal consciousness, acquiring great insights, and comprehending the universal truths that govern human life. As you embark on this awakening journey, you will be guided by both ancient wisdom and contemporary spiritual concepts. This is a voyage of profound self-discovery, with each step bringing new and deeper insights. It is a sacred dance in which you grow your consciousness, transcend the limitations of the Earth matrix, and embrace the bright reality of who you are. In this level of expanded consciousness, you begin to see beyond the material illusions and recognize the divine patterns that run through the fabric of existence. Your soul's mission becomes evident, and your connection with the cosmos grows stronger, exposing the intricate fabric of existence in all its glorious grandeur. Awakening is a spiritual journey, a return to your real identity, and profound alignment with the universe's grand plan. It is a call to rise above the constraints of the Earth matrix, to embrace higher planes of consciousness, and to shine as a beacon of light and wisdom on this planet. Embrace this path with an open heart and a willing spirit, for awakening is the most holy and transformative adventure your soul will ever embark on. As we progress down the path of awakening, the methods we use become sacred rituals that enhance our consciousness and connect us with the divine. Meditation, physical activities, and the study of spiritual teachings are the foundations of this transforming path. Each of these disciplines has the potential to raise our energy levels, promoting inner serenity and harmony, and directing us to higher realms of existence. Meditation provides access to our soul's inner sanctum. In the calm of meditation, we quiet the mind's constant chatter and tune in to the gentle whispers of our true selves. It is here that we connect with the endless wellspring of wisdom inside, overcoming the distractions of the material world and aligning with the universe's pure essence. Physical disciplines such as yoga and breath work are equally important. These techniques help to center our spiritual energy and bring the body, mind, and spirit into harmony. We break physical and energetic obstructions by a focused movement and aware breathing, letting the life force freely flow and revitalize our complete being. These practices ground us in the present moment, providing a base of stability and strength from which to soar to greater levels of awareness. The study of spiritual truths gives a roadmap for our journey. Ancient wisdom and modern philosophies share profound insights about the essence of existence and the road to enlightenment. Exploring these lessons broadens our perspective, providing the clarity we need to negotiate the intricacies of our spiritual path. These teachings brighten the path, leading us through the darkness and revealing the light of our actual essence. However, the path to awakening is not the same for everyone. It is a deeply personal journey that is unique to each individual. As a result, tailoring these strategies to specific experiences and needs is critical. Combining meditation, physical routines, and spiritual study allows for a more holistic approach to personal progress. This integration guarantees that all aspects of our being, body, mind, and spirit are nurtured and aligned with our ultimate goal. Constant exploration is essential. Self-discovery and awakening are continual processes that require devotion and an unshakable commitment to growth. Each moment offers an opportunity to develop our practice, learn, and grow. Embracing this journey with an open heart and a curious spirit enables us to live a conscious and fulfilled life. As we walk this sacred road, we get a better understanding of the universe's cycles and our place within it. Growth and learning become continuous companions, guiding us to greater comprehension and deeper connection. The awakening journey is a lifelong adventure that nourishes our soul and illuminates our path with the shining light of truth. As we conclude this profound investigation, remember that the awakening journey is a holy dance of the soul, an endless pursuit for truth and enlightenment. Every stride you take, every calm moment in meditation, every mindful breath, and every spiritual revelation takes you closer to your inner self. Accept the practices that speak to your spirit and integrate them into your daily life with dedication and reverence. Allow meditation, physical activities, and spiritual teachings to guide you along your journey. Continue to explore, learn, and grow, because this trip is an ongoing experience with limitless opportunities for transformation and enlightenment. Recognize that you are supported by the universe, ancient wisdom, and the loving presence of the Pleiadian High Council. You will never be alone on this journey. The light within you shines brightly, serving as a beacon of hope and inspiration to others seeking the truth. May your path be filled with deep insights, profound tranquility, and unbounded joy. Believe in your journey, acknowledge your progress, and enjoy the amazing person you are becoming. The cosmos rejoices with your awakening, and together we rise to higher regions of consciousness, where the true essence of our souls can thrive.